We are in the tail end of summer here in the Pacific Northwest, and it has been critter central around my house lately. I actually don't mind most bugs, but the flies and yellow jackets have been a real nuisance this year, and I need to replenish some of my traps. It's been at least a couple of months since I replaced the attractant in my Yellowjacket Trap, so today I'm swapping it out with a new 10-week refill cartridge. The trap was pretty full of dead yellow jackets, so I just dumped those out into my yard before I added the refill. I'll come back and check in on this trap in a minute. Next up is a new fly trap. We have a dog, so naturally we also have flies. I'm using a rescue reusable outdoor fly trap, and it's really easy to set up. You just add the attractant pouch, add water to the fill line, and you're good to go. I have a big empty dirt patch in the back of my yard that's perfect for testing fly traps, but eventually I want to do something with it. If you have an idea, I don't know, leave a comment. I'm excited to set up this fresh trap because I just got a dedicated outdoor time-lapse camera. I'm going to let this time-lapse run for the full weekend so you can see just how well these fly traps work. There are a lot of pest control companies out there that will tell you they make the best fly trap. We think it works best to just show you the results. Let's check back in on our Yellowjacket trap. It looks like we've already got one in there with a few more looking to join the party. I checked in the next day and there are already a lot more yellow jackets in there. I'm looking forward to having a pest-free yard for the rest of the summer.